Mr. Speaker, nobody's attacking here. The Prime Minister needs to know how anxious hundreds of families are. In the last few weeks, they've been sent all over the country or told there are no tests. It can't be brushed off. On the 21st of this year, the Health Secretary said anybody who needs a test can get a test. It's the most important thing that you can do to stop the spread of this virus. This is a very serious issue. And the government line on this seems to be changing all the time. Yesterday, the Director of NHS Test and Trace said, "Can I offer my apologies to anyone who can't get a test? It's a laboratory processing problem." This morning, the Health Secretary changed tack and appeared to blame the public. I note that he made a statement yesterday and faced questions and didn't say anything about the excuse that he puts forward this morning that emerged overnight. So who's right? The Director of Test and Trace, this is a laboratory problem, or the Health Secretary, it's the public's fault?
Mr. Speaker, I of course sympathise with all those who are facing difficulties getting tests as fast as they want, but demand is at an unprecedented high, particularly because demand for asymptomatic patients. But he should know that this country has done more tests, 17.6 million, than any other country in Europe. That is thanks to the, and he likes these international comparisons, Mr. Speaker, that is thanks to the efforts of NHS Test and Trace. They are, in my view, doing an absolutely heroic job in spite of the difficulties that they face. They've massively raised their output and testing, and they will be up to testing 500,000 tests a day by the end of October. This is an organisation that is working heroically to contain the spread of this disease, and it requires the public to trust this organisation and to participate, Mr. Speaker. Yesterday, the right honourable gentleman said it was on the verge of collapse. I think those were ill-chosen words. I think he now regrets those words. I think he should reflect and he should take them back.